How to turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off age restrictions on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off age restrictions on Twitter, there are one of two things that you can do. One is that you can change your date of birth to something that would make you over 18 years of age. The other is you can turn on sensitive content. And in order to do this, try opening the X or the X Twitter application here. As you do that, tap the profile icon from the top left and go to profile. And as you go to profile, just go to the edit profile option that you can find here, and here you can see date of birth. So you might actually want to edit the date of birth that would make you at least over 18 years of age to disable age restrictions. Now after you've done this, if it still doesn't work, the other thing you can try to do is tap the profile icon and go to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. From here you can go to privacy and safety and go to content you see and turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. After you do this, you should be able to find the contents that you weren't being able to find earlier. This way you can turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.